Our 2-bedroom villa was booked through Agoda. Since it was set for 4 people and we were 5, we paid additional fee for extra 1 head. Upon entering, one would see the Sala. Across the entrance door was the first bedroom. The villa was equipped with a television, a Wi-Fi connection, and aircon, among others. Across the sala was a dining area with a 6-seater dining table. Entering the first bedroom, one can see a queen-sized bed. Bedroom number 1, or the master's bedroom, had its own cable television and closet. Beside the closet was a door leading to the bathroom. Upon entering, one can see the transparent shower area on the left side.
This is so nice, guys. You see? I'm like here and you can see me.
Beside the shower area was a toilet. Since the villa was designated for 4 packs only, each room had toiletries for 2. The last section of the bathroom was where the bathtub was located. As I've said, bedroom number 1 was across the main door. Facing it on the left side was the dining. Beside the dining area was a kitchenette. And behind it was a powder room. On the left side of the powder room upon entering was a sink. Above it was a mirror. Beside the sink was a toilet. Across the powder room was bedroom number 2. Entering the room, one can see 2 single beds. Unlike bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2 didn't have a television. It still had its own closet though. Like bedroom number 1, beside the closet in bedroom number 2 was the bathroom. Basically, the 2 bathrooms in the villa looked the same. It had its own shower area, bathtub, and toilet.
Happy birthday!
Few minutes after having dinner outside, we went back to Thunderbird. Thunderbird lights up at night, and one of the things one must see are the LED roses surrounding the chapel. On the night of our check-in, we had a quick tour of the place from the main lobby to the resort's pools. And all of that happened before the villa tour.
Let's go. No, hey! See this, you see? We have 2 shampoo, lotion, conditioner.
Thank you so much
My
for
gosh.
that.
And there's me.
And